Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix black screen in Streamlabs OBS. Before I get the video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification button so you can get notified. Okay, now let's jump to the tutorial. Okay, open your Streamlabs OBS. Okay, so you will see this black screens. Okay, you can screen record your screens. Okay, don't have any movement. Okay, so now I'm gonna teach you solution. It's 100% working on AMD or NVIDIA. For me, I'm using AMD. Okay, so both are working. Make sure to stay until the end of the video. Okay, so now you go to your search and then type graphic settings. Okay, select these graphic settings. Okay, so now choose an app to set preference. Make sure to use desktop apps and then browse. Okay, so now goes to Windows C. Okay, it depends on your settings. So most are Windows C or OS C. Okay, so after press this Windows C, you go to Program Files, and then you scroll down to see Streamlabs. Okay, Streamlabs OBS. Okay, and when you go here, go to Resources, App Asset Unpacked, Node the modules. Okay, this OBS Studio Node. Okay, so now you can see exe called OBS64 exe. Press this and then add. Okay, after you add, go to options, set to power saving. Make sure it's at power saving using your integrated graphic cards power saving. Make sure to save. Okay, after you save, you can close it, and then you can let's double check. Okay, yeah, make sure this restart your Streamlabs OBS. So now you open your Streamlabs OBS. Okay, I need to wait for a while for the app to refresh on loading, so it will take a longer time. So just be patient. Okay, now you see it's fixed. Now you can screen record your screens. Okay, let me add a file. Okay, this is showing. It is showing your screen. Okay, so now you have fixed your black screen problem. Okay, thanks for watching and don't forget to share my videos. Okay, see you next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe.